Hi, I'm Matt Barron, Vice President of Academic Affairs at Bay College, and welcome to our 2021 awards celebration. Each year, we set aside a special night to publicly recognize the outstanding efforts of our students, faculty, staff, and alumni who go above and beyond to make Bay College what it is today. This year, our celebration will be virtual, and over the next few weeks, we will be posting videos of each of our awards recipients. Along with our local business sponsors, the Bay College Foundation, and the Bay College Faculty Association, please join us in recognizing these awardees.
Hello, I am Steve Carlson, the Facilities Manager at Bay College. I'd like to introduce Stephen Johnson as a recipient of one of this year's Outstanding Employee Awards. This was my first full year at Bay College, and I've depended on Steve's experience, knowledge, and hard work from day one. Over and over again, he has proven his commitment to do the best job he can. He's reliable, adaptable, and goes above and beyond expectation performing his duties. Steve takes extreme pride in his work and wants his work to reflect Bay College's standard of quality and integrity. On bad weather days, he makes sure he is here 0 dark 30 to make sure that snow plowing and de-icing of the campus is completed and is accessible and safe for students, faculty, and employees. Steve took the initiative on several interdepartmental moves this past year. He was instrumental in moving mechatronics from the 900 building to the 400 building, EMT from MTech to the 900 building, and machining from MTech over to welding and shipping. His work ethic and get-her-done attitude is inspiring. Steve has also done a great job in helping the campus become COVID compliant and preparing its students, faculty, and employees to return to campus. He installed barrier shields, social distancing signs, and hands-free soap and towel dispensers throughout the campus. Steve takes the time to meet with those requesting his services to make sure he understands what needs to be done. He's a good problem solver and offers suggestions on how jobs can be done better. I wasn't surprised hearing Steve had received several nominations for this award. And here are a couple comments from those who also nominated Steve to receive this award. First one, Steve is a definition of collaborative. Steve works with whoever requests his assistance in order to reach the common goal that will benefit the person or the college. It doesn't matter if you want something moved or rebuilt 3 times. He will shake his head, chuckle, and say, okay, if that's what you want. And another, Steve displays respect to his coworkers, community members, and students by taking his job seriously. He ensures the parking lots are clear and safety is considered, which keeps us all safe. It doesn't matter what the task is. If he is assigned to do something, he does it and does it correctly. Steve is a behind-the-scenes college employee. His work is as important as an employee directly in front of the student. His respect and enthusiasm comes from making sure all campus users have what they need and when it's needed. So thank you, Steve. Thank you for all you do and how you do it. And congratulations on this award.
1999, after 20 plus years at Marine, I was ready for a change. Because of my travel time, my 8-hour job was usually closer to 11 hours. There wasn't much time left for my family. I applied at Bay College for a part-time fill-in position. When the call came offering me the job, I accepted. My wife questioned me, how much are you going to get paid? I'm not sure. What kind of hours are you going to have? I said, it's only a part-time position. I'm not sure either. Why, was she asked, why would you do this? I said, it just feels right. After my first day on the job at Bay, I knew that I made the right decision. Not really knowing anyone, I felt like I belonged. Bob Papin was my boss, superintendent of buildings and grounds. Starting a new job at 40 was different. Most people tend to stay at their job for the length of their careers. First year of part-time was tough. Al Henderson was maintenance tech. Although he was set in his ways, we did click. After having to work various positions at different hours, I had my doubts. After meeting with my supervisor, he assured me that I belong, they hang in there. Shortly after, Al came to me and told me he was ready to retire. He wanted me to apply for his position. I did. Guess what? I belonged. That's when I figured it out. I was part of Bay's family. My new position was straight days. I took over Al's position. I started to interact more with faculty, staff, and students. Conversations always seemed to return to family. Bob Pepin always stressed family first. Children, school programs, go. Field trips for the kids, you need to go, you tell me. Family first meant becoming more active outside of work. T-ball coach, baseball coach, youth wrestling, volunteer, among other things. My other family at Bay always asked about my wife and son. I found myself asking more about theirs. As the years went by, my family at Bay grew. Baseball kids that I coached became Bay students. The Escanaba Youth Wrestling Club used numerous rooms at Bay College over the years for their practices. Many wrestlers also became Bay students. As students came and went, so did faculty and staff. Some retired, some passed. Some still stop by occasionally. When I run into them, I usually hear, "How's your family doing?" As things change, some things stay the same. Family. So after 20 plus years at Bay College, I would like to thank my Bay College family for this award and for believing in me. Mostly I would like to thank my wife, Gloria, and my son, Garrett, my family.